Good evening, children. Today, I would like to tell you about the OMR sheet. So, it's very confusing, and children are a little puzzled what to do in this OMR sheet. Now, I'll tell you what is the latest thing that you have to do in the OMR sheet, because you have been appearing certain competitive exams since you're in your classes. So, in both the languages, I'll tell you what you have to do in the OMR sheet so that you do not make mistake in your exams. Especially the children, those who are appearing board, they need to be very careful. Now this time the board has given you the OMR sheet. This is the sample of it, and this OMR sheet, they have made it very easy. I'll speak even in the other language, Hindi, so that you understand it well. Do not make any mistakes. So here, as you can see, already the names and all the detail of the candidate, it is printed here. So सारी डिटेल्स यहाँ बोर्ड पहले से प्रिंट करके दी है ताकि आप लोगों को ज़्यादा दिक्कत ना हो. You have to fill in the question paper code after you get the question paper. First, this OMR sheet will be given. Then you will have to fill here certain the line which is already written. You will have to write this line. So it is as shown. It is already written. It's an example. It's a sample paper. So you have to copy the line which is given over here. See clearly. The line which is given here, it has to be copied. And then you have to sign this. This is a place for signature. You have to sign this. Here, after you get the question paper, then you will have to fill in the question paper code over here. Here there are certain columns. You have your options A, B, C, D. You have these options A, B, C, D. Now, in this, there is another box you can see with a star mark, and then there is another box with hashtag. Children, when you are writing the option, whichever you are circling here, you are darkening here, जो ऑप्शन को आप डार्क कर रहे हैं, सर्कल कर रहे हैं, सर्कल कर रहे हैं, उसको यहाँ लिखना है. स्मॉल लेटर्स में लिखना है, जैसे ए या बी या सी या डी, जिसको भी आपने मार्क किया है उसको यहाँ लिख देना है. अगर बाय चांस आपने कोई भी आंसर को टिक नहीं किया, आपके पास ऑप्शंस रहेंगी. सपोज from 6 questions, section A contains maybe 6 questions. For example, you have to do 5. So 6th one, कोई भी आप जो एक छोड़ रहे हैं उसके लिए not attempted column में आपको सर्कल करना है. दिस इज योर हैशटैग. हैशटैग का कॉलम में आपको सर्कल करना है जो भी आप नहीं कर रहे हैं, नहीं अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं. और अगर सोचिए आपने अटेम्प्ट कर लिया है लेकिन आपको लग रहा है कि ऑप्शन नंबर 2 आप किए हैं बट यू आर नॉट दैट श्योर अबाउट इट, हेजिटेंट है, ये आंसर हो सकता है गलत हो, लेकिन 6th आंसर जो लिखे हैं वो एकदम सही है, तो तब आप लिख चुके हैं ऑलरेडी सेकंड वाला, तो आप तब सेकंड वाले को आप नॉट अटेम्प्टेड करके 6th वाला को लिखेंगे. तो जिसको आप नॉट अटेम्प्टेड किए हैं वो कंसिडर नहीं होगा. This is the basic thing. Circling is very important. आपको एक ना एक को सर्कल करना ही है. आप या तो नॉट अटेम्प्टेड में या फिर ए बी सी डी कोई भी ऑप्शन को आप सर्कल करिएगा. यू हैव टू सर्कल दैट, अदरवाइज इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड टू बी समथिंग सस्पिशियस, समथिंग फिशी, or that is you are maybe you have taken some you have that is an error. It is supposed to be an error, so you have to circle it. Agar not attempted hai then you have to circle the not attempted hashtag column. This. So wherever you have options, which also you don't, maybe choices, so choices are there, you may not be liking to do certain of the certain questions. So in that case, not attempted is very important, you have to circle it. And if you are answering whatever options you are answering, you have to fill in here in small letters. ABCD is mentioned here in small letters, you see, and so in small letters you will be circling it. Clear? And I think this is very important. Here is the other, that is invigilator's signature, then evaluators, then coordinators, and then finally observers. You can see here. So this is not for you. You are not to fill the lower part anything. It is those who are correcting, those who are signing, they are going to do this. Okay, they have their own numbers, they are going to fill this with the signature. It is nothing concerning the students. Students को इसमें कुछ नहीं सोचना है. ये part students के लिए नहीं है. You have to fill this till this message, this line, write it down as it is written, and the signature. This is very important. And here your question paper code. Other things, all details are filled up. Board is this time very helpful to the students, so they don't have to worry at all. Thank you, children. Hope you will all do well. All the best, dear.